Today, I'll show you how to use the light rays effect in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, adding light rays can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your video. It's a fantastic way to add a touch of drama or a dreamy atmosphere to your scenes. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by placing your clip on the timeline. If you haven't done this before, simply drag your selected clip from the media pool and drop it onto the timeline. This is your canvas where all the magic happens in DaVinci Resolve. Now, once your clip is in place, it's time to explore the effects library. Head over to the effects library, which you can find on the top left of your screen. Look for the OpenFX folder within the effects library. This is where DaVinci Resolve houses all its special effects, and it's a treasure trove of creative possibilities. Scroll through the options until you find light rays. Once you've located it, simply drag this effect onto your clip on the timeline. It's as easy as that. You'll notice an immediate change in your video, but we're not done yet. The real artistry comes in fine-tuning these effects to perfectly suit your vision. Now, with the light rays effect applied, you'll see the inspector panel on the top right of your screen. If it's not open already, you can click on the inspector tab to bring it up. This is where you'll refine the effect to get just the right look you're after. Start by adjusting the direction of the light rays. You can think of this as choosing where the light is coming from. Experiment with different angles to see how this changes the mood and focus of your shot. Next, adjust the length of the rays. This setting determines how far the light extends across your image. A longer light ray can create a more ethereal, dramatic look, while a shorter one might keep things subtle and grounded. It all depends on the atmosphere you want to create. Lastly, you'll want to tweak the softness. This controls how sharp or diffuse the light rays appear. Increasing softness can give your scene a gentle, dreamy quality, while reducing it will make the rays more pronounced and striking. Remember, there's no right or wrong here, just what looks best to you. Play around with these sliders until you're satisfied with the effect. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the most unexpected combinations create the most stunning results. And there you have it. You've successfully added light rays to your clip in DaVinci Resolve. This simple effect can completely transform your footage, adding depth and emotion. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to use this effect to enhance any video project you're working on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on mastering DaVinci Resolve. Happy editing!